Teknacorp. Special pipeline fittings. At Teknacorp, we specialize in the manufacturing and supply of pipe fittings for applications in the oil and gas industry. With over 25 years of experience, our track record translates into robust and reliable solutions, designed to meet the toughest project demands. We offer the fabrication of radial flow tees and barred tees, which serve specialized functions related to pipeline cleaning, inspection, and maintenance, often without requiring shutdown of operations, while also protecting the flow. Radial flow tee. Its main function is to allow the smooth passage of pigs or inspection tools in launching or receiving traps, featuring optimized geometry to minimize turbulence and back pressure. Barred tee. Prevents pigs or inspection tools from entering the branch line by means of internally welded bars across the branch to block pig entry. Standards and compliance. Our products are manufactured in accordance with applicable design codes such as ASME, B31.3, B31.4, and B31.8, and NACE MR0175 for hydrogen sulfide service environments. They are fabricated using carbon steel per specifications such as ASTM A234, grades WPB, WPC, WPL6, ASTM A860, and MSSSP 75, grades WPHY42 to WPHY70, under ASME and ANSI B16.9 guidelines. Teknacorp competitive advantages. Efficiency and compliance, competitive lead times with full compliance to project schedules and quality standards. Strategic presence, expedited fabrication ensures fast deliveries with no customs issues, optimizing logistics for FCA, CIF, or DDP Incoterms. Custom solutions, manufacturing capabilities from 2 inches to 72 inches diameter, tailored to your specifications and service conditions, gas, liquids, crude, or special fluids. Certified quality. Our operations are supported by ISO 9001 and ISO 29001 certifications, ensuring quality and reliability in every delivery. Contact us today at sales@teknacorp.com or +1 7134294149.